steady on. What are you doing?
One of the things I hate
you
about flying helicopters, one of the things I absolutely love about flying helicopters is that every time you get in a helicopter, something different always happens in the helicopter that absolutely humbles you as a helicopter pilot.
idiot.
Here's a quick example. Bertie asked me to put the helicopter back down. That's something that I've done hundreds and hundreds of times.
What's wrong with you?
But here we go, crosswind, it hits the helicopter out of nowhere. I've no idea what's going on. It looks like I'm back to be a less than 10-hour pilot.
This may sound silly, but can you fly? Nope.
Here you go. Let me know if it's happened to you.
On the plan. Whoa, steady on. What are you doing? No idea. Fucking hell. Are you okay?